Hey everyone. So in today's lesson, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Hermes agent with the Gmail. Now, what is the benefit of doing this? Let's say if you are running a marketing agency or you want to send thousands of the email to your client, then you can use this particular service. It is going to be completely free of cost. You can just simply connect your Gmail with the Hermes agent. Then it is going to read your email. It is going to organize your email. It is going to send an email on your behalf to your clients. You just need to provide here the topic or the campaign topic, thereafter the list of the emails where you want to send those emails. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see how you can do this in this particular lesson. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can connect your Gmail account with the Hermes agent. It is going to be super simple process. If you click on here on messaging, then you are going to see all the list of the messages which is allowed with the Hermes agent. There you will be also seeing here email as well. So in the email, you need to provide the email address which you want to use with the Hermes agent. You need to provide here the email password. This is not your general email password. Remember, I'll show you which kind of password you can use here. Thereafter, IMAP host and SMTP host and many other stuffs which we will do the later on. All right. Now question is here. What is this? What is this email password? So this email password is actually your app password. You need to create one application inside the Gmail and then you need to use that password here. How you can do that? Let me just show you. So you need to first of all come on this particular address, myaccount.google.com app password. All right. So on this app password, you will be having here option to create a password. Let's go ahead and create that. First of all, I'm gonna create here app name that is going to be the Hermes. Then I just simply create this application. Then it is going to give me here 16-digit password. First of all, obviously I need to first verify it is me. All right, let's go ahead and type it again here, Hermes. And here it is. I have got 16 character password. So this password is going to be used. All right, let's go ahead and come back here. So here you have the email password. So in this email password, you need to put that password. On email account, you need to put here on email address, you need to put the email address which you use to create the password. Remember one thing, if you are getting any error while creating this app password, make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication. Otherwise, it will not work. All right, having said that, let's come back here. So here you have IMAP host. So IMAP host is going to be this one, imap.gmail.com. Let's go ahead and do like that, gmail.com. Thereafter, you have here SMTP host as well. So here you have smtp.gmail.com. Thereafter, allowed users. So in allowed users, I'm going to use here a same email, kgptalkie@gmail.com. And then home address and other stuff, I'm going to leave as it is. I'm not going to change those. All right, excellent. So everything is done. Once it is done, thereafter, you just need to save it. Thereafter, it is going to ask you to restart the gateway. Once that is done, then you can just simply click on restart the gateway. Then it is going to restart a gateway for you. In meantime, you can just simply come here. Thereafter, you can just simply click on done. All right, so we have successfully connected our Gmail with the Hermes agent. You can clearly see here it is connected. Congratulations, we have successfully connected our Gmail. Now let's go ahead and come back here, a new session, and then you can just simply ask here, can you read my latest emails? Can you read my latest emails? All right, now it is going to read my latest email. In meantime, I can show you here the kind of model I'm currently using. It is completely free of cost. If you are also looking for a free of cost model which you can use with your Hermes agent, then I have a dedicated playlist which you can follow on my KGP Talkie channel. I have one OpenClaw tutorials playlist. Another one is the Hermes agent tutorials playlist. Link for these playlists are given in the video description. You can go ahead and get started with the free Hermes agent and free AI API setup. All right, now let me tell you one important thing while you are doing Gmail setup with the Hermes agent. So once you start doing this Gmail setup with Hermes agent, it will install Himalaya CLI that is used for the reading and sending the email. It will install all necessary libraries while doing the Himalaya CLI setup. Thereafter, actually in my case, what happened after doing all the setup, it stopped here midway. Thereafter, I had to ask it again, can you read my latest email again? After the setup, it was able to read the email. Now it is able to read the email. Why I'm telling you? In case if it is stopping in between or if any error comes in between while you are doing this setup, what you have to do, you just need to ask it again that, okay, this is where you stopped. Let's do it again. So if you do it something like that, then Hermes agent is so advanced that it can do the setup for you itself. You don't need to bother about anything. As you can clearly see here, all these setups are done. Now what I can do here, I can actually ask my agent here to send the email or send the summary or daily summary. I can also ask my agent to send the daily summary on the Telegram, on the Discord, and so much more. Let's say if you have hundreds of the email and you want to send the marketing emails, you can just simply ask your Hermes agent to send those marketing emails for you, and it would be able to send those. For example, let's say if I ask here, send me my last 7 days email summaries on, let's say, Udemy at the rate kjptalkie.com. So what it will do, it will read my last 7 days email. Thereafter, it is going to summarize it and then it is going to send it on the Udemy at the rate kjptalkie.com. So this is the official email of the KGP Talkie, and this is where it is going to send all of these. So if you want to make your own marketing agent, you can use this Gmail services and the Hermes agent together. You would be able to make your own marketing service. All right, now as you can see here, it is able to summarize my emails for last 7 days. Now it has prepared the data. Thereafter, I had to ask it to send me on Udemy at the rate kjptalkie.com. In meantime, I also want to show you one more thing here. If you are working on a Windows, so if you are working on Windows, you will be getting error something like this while you are working with sending the email. All right, it is a SSL error actually. So don't worry about that. What you can do, you can just simply ask here, send it using the Python script. That's all. Thereafter, it is going to use the Python script and then it is going to send the email. And I have received the email here. All right. Now going forward, you can ask your Hermes agent to format your email properly. It can format it into the HTML and so that it can look a good email service. All right, cool. So now where you can use this application. Let's say if you are running a marketing agency, then you can just simply provide here list of the emails, and then your Hermes agent can send your campaign on those emails using the email which you have connected here. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, please do let me know in the comment box. I read each and every email. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.